Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania, between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of more than 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and parts of Borneo and New Guinea, the 10 most beautiful places to visit in Indonesia. Number 10. Revo Village. Revo Village. This charming Indonesian village in Flores has been gaining more recognition worldwide for its unique charm. Its iconic cone-shaped main houses, aligned beautifully against the backdrop of picturesque mountains and occasional mist, are adored by domestic and international tourists alike. Located in a remote highland, don't miss the surrounding nature, with its thriving orchids, wildlife, and tropical greeneries. Number 9. Bajra Sandi Monument. Bajra Sandi Monument is a monument to the struggles of the Balinese people throughout history. The monument is located in front of the Bali Governor's Office in Denpasar, Indonesia, on the island of Bali. The monument was built in 1987, inaugurated by President Megawati Sukarnoputri on June 14, 2003. Number 8. Komodo National Park. Komodo National Park is a national park in Indonesia located within the Lesser Sunda Islands in the border region between the provinces of East Nusa Tenggara and West Nusa Tenggara. The park includes the 3 larger islands Komodo, Padar and Ringka, and 26 smaller ones, with a total area of 1,733 square kilometers. The national park was founded in 1980 to protect the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard. Later it was dedicated to protecting other species, including marine species. In 1991 the national park was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Komodo National Park has been selected as one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature. The waters surrounding Komodo Island contain rich marine biodiversity. Komodo Islands is also a part of the Coral Triangle, which contains some of the richest marine biodiversity on Earth. Number 7. Borobudur Temple. Borobudur, also transcribed Borobudur, is a 9th century Mahayana Buddhist temple in Magalang Regency, not far from the town of Muntalan, in central Java, Indonesia. It is the world's largest Buddhist temple. The temple consists of 9 stacked platforms, 6 square and 3 circular, topped by a central dome. It is decorated with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. The central dome is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues, each seated inside a perforated stupa. Built in the 9th century during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty, the temple design follows Javanese Buddhist architecture, which blends the Indonesian indigenous cult of ancestor worship and the Buddhist concept of attaining nirvana. Number 6. Mount Bromo. Mount Bromo is an active volcano and part of the Tengger Mountains, in East Java, Indonesia. At 2,329 meters it is not the highest peak of the massif, but the most famous. The area is one of the most visited tourist destinations in East Java, and the volcano is included in the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. Number 5. Tumpak Siwu Waterfall. Tumpak Siwu, also known as Koban Siwu, is a tiered waterfall that is located between the Pronojiwo District, Lumajang Regency, and the Amplegating District, Malang Regency, in East Java, Indonesia. The waterfall is overshadowed by Semeru, an active volcano and the highest mountain in Java. Number 4. Prambanan Hindu Temple. Prambanan or Rara Jonggrang is a 9th century Hindu temple compound in special region of Yogyakarta, Indonesia, dedicated to the Trimurti, the expression of God as the creator, the preserver and the destroyer. The temple compound is located approximately 17 kilometers northeast of the city of Yogyakarta on the boundary between Central Java and Yogyakarta provinces. The temple compound, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the largest Hindu temple site in Indonesia and the second largest in Southeast Asia after Angkor Wat. Prambanan attracts many visitors from around the world. Number 3. Lombok Island. Lombok is an Indonesian island east of Bali and west of Sumbawa, part of the Lesser Sunda island chain. It's known for beaches and surfing spots, particularly at Kuta and Bangko Bangko, in South Lombok. The motor vehicle-free Gili Islands, Gili Trawangan, Gili Air and Gili Mano, off Lombok's west coast, offer more beaches, reefs for diving and snorkeling, and a sea turtle hatchery. Number 2. Raja Ampat Islands. Raja Ampat Islands are an Indonesian archipelago off the northwest tip of Bird's Head Peninsula in West Papua. Comprising hundreds of jungle-covered islands, Raja Ampat is known for its beaches and coral reefs rich with marine life. Ancient rock paintings and caves are on Masul Island, while the crimson bird of paradise lives on Waigeo Island. Batanta and Salawati are the archipelago's other main islands. Number 1. Penida Island. Nusa Penida is an island southeast of Indonesia's island Bali and a district of Klungkung Regency that includes the neighboring small island of Nusa Lembongan and 12 even smaller islands. The Badung Strait separates the island and Bali. The interior of Nusa Penida is hilly with a maximum altitude of 524 meters.